In this video, I'm going to demonstrate live preview, drafts, and sharing your drafts with other people. Okay, so here we are in the blog entry from the previous video where we talked about the content builder, and this time we're going to learn about live preview and drafts and things like that. So to get to the preview where you can see the content change as you're typing and updating your entry, you go to the top here and click on preview, and all of a sudden you've got a split screen where your editing is done on the left and the main copy is on the right, and you can change the size of the split by grabbing it here and dragging it to the left or the right. So I'm going to put it back like that. We can see that this is the live version of this page. So we've got the tank, some copy, a number of different pictures, and I click that up and I get a larger version of it and a couple of call to actions. Let's edit some of this. Perhaps I don't want this hero image. I want to use a different hero image, and I'm going to go and choose the image, and I'm going to choose this one here, and boom, we've got a new hero image, and it updated for us automatically. And just before that updated, we saw this bluer image. That's the fallback if the hero image is empty. So each website will have a custom fallback option. In this case, if I remove that and wait, we'll see the fallback image or not. So let's just, there we go. There's our fallback image. And I can update the title. So you watch the title here, new online activity, as I start typing. Hello, this is new copy. Wait a second. Hello. This is new copy. We get that there. Okay, live preview also allows us to take advantage of another feature of content builders, is that we can drag and drop content up and down the page. So we have copy, which matches this. We have a gallery, which matches this photo. And then we have more copy and another gallery. Let's say I want to move this photo above the copy here. So I go and grab the gallery that contains that image using the handle and drag it up. And now we can see that this photo is at the top of the page. And then inside this gallery, where we have multiple images, we can control where the images are displayed. So I'm going to grab the center image and I'm going to move it over to the left. And now it's over here on the left. And I'm going to move it back, and it's back. Now this particular website, if I double click on the images, these images have further options of image size, so 100%, 50%, 33%. So that's how I'm controlling how many images are per row. And then we have captions and title and file name. So if I want to make this a full width image, I just go over here and I change that to 100%, save it. And now it's 100%. But I'm going to change that back because it doesn't really match with what we want on this particular one. So we'll put that back at 50%. Okay. And we can also add new blocks either by going to the bottom and adding one of our blocks here, or perhaps I want to add a block above this copy where it says teachers. I go to the gear icon and I'll add, let's add another gallery above it. and I can type in the title, Live Gallery, and then I'm just going to grab one image, this image here. I don't even know what it is. And you can see this image has appeared. And if I double click this, you can see it's already been pre-selected at 50%. But if I wanted it to be 100%, I could change that. And now it's a full width image with my title. So that's live preview. Let's close the preview. And if we come up here, we can see that the CMS has saved our changes as draft 3. We can also just publish changes, and that will change it from being a draft to being live. So right now, if I go here on the live site, because I haven't published it, my changes are still not there. But perhaps I want to share this with somebody who needs to approve my changes to this entry. Then I can go here and I can click Share and Primary Entry Page. And you can see that the hero is different. This image is at the top, so it's showing my changes. And then there's a special URL at the top here that you can grab the whole link and save it and then share it with somebody, and they can preview those changes. This link is valid for 24 hours, after which it no longer works. Assuming that this is an approved copy, I can come back to my entry and hit Publish Changes. Now, because this is not the actual website, I can publish the changes without affecting my client. I'm going to do that. And it's saved. And now the draft thing has changed from English current, or from draft 3 to English current. And if I go to the live page and refresh, we can see that my image has changed and my copy is there. Now, I can revert to any different revision. So perhaps I want to go back to what it was before, which is the last recent revision, not a draft. I click here and save it. Whoops, what am I doing? Revert entry to this revision. It's been saved, and then I'm going to refresh here, and everything's back to where it was. So this is live preview with drafts and approval processes. Hope this has been